So what we're planning on testing is basically Neatos and other squishy toys throughout the school. We're taking it from like a wide variety of people, basically whoever allows us to use it.
Well, I see these kids walking around with these squishy things, and we forget that there's a lot smaller life forms out there, and I see them handling it, I see where they wind up, and I just wanted to see what could possibly be on there.
I'm gonna try and find some that are like heavily used in like a bunch of classrooms and shared among people.
Well, we're just gonna look for some people walking around the hall. I know some friends who have them. We're just gonna test those.
So I'm gonna test my sister's because she's gross and I don't think she washes those. I don't think you can wash them.
I'm expecting on like some of the older like squishies that people use more, there to be like more bacteria.
I'm expecting them to be super dirty and like filled with bacteria.
Well, since I see people walk around with them everywhere, all in the bathrooms and like the wood shops, I assume we're gonna find a bunch of bacteria on them because they have everyone touch them.
I'm expecting it to be disgusting. I see where she leaves it. It's all over my house and she tears it all the way around here, so I have a feeling it's gonna be really gross. A lot of bacteria growth.
Before we could go swabbing Neatos around the school, we had to label everything. Then we began to search the school for any Neatos that anyone had. After swabbing the Neatos and getting all the bacteria, we had to put it in the incubator for 48 hours. After 2 days, we came back to see the results. These were disgusting, and all of this bacteria you see on the Neatos that came off are getting on your hands.
This one is the one from the reset room, and then the other one is from like the pickle squishy in Miss Haddad's room. We're getting your live reaction.
Okay, it's not good. I mean,
Yeah.
You can sum it up that way. It's not great.
Oh yeah,
Dude, this is Julia's.
That's Julia's?
This is the freaking.
That is disgusting.
I was expecting horrifying results, and I think that's pretty much what we got.
These two came from the purple dumpling. Then we got a closer look with a microscope.
So basically what we're seeing under the microscope is unidentified bacteria that was found on a couple of the squishies I tested.
Well, first, what I really wanted to get out of this was to showcase some of the good work that's going on here at RHS. Some kids here in the science department are quietly putting out some great work. That was not an easy test to do. Some kids here in this class with the digital arts with Miss Haddad, like yourself, doing great work, and I thought this would just be a great opportunity to showcase what we do around here. But as far as RHS, I just want you to be aware that there's a lot of microbes out there and you just don't know what those things are picking up, so beware.